Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share to you how to make the viral Bala Baiana that is made of desiccated coconut, condensed milk, and coated with caramelized sugar. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button. The ingredients that we will need are 1 cup white sugar, 1 can condensed milk, 1 cup desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and half cup water. In a pan over medium heat, add the unsalted butter and let it melt. Once it has melted, add in the condensed milk and give it a stir. Then, add in the desiccated coconut and cook it until it becomes thick and is pulling out from the pan. Just like this. After, transfer it into a bowl and let it cool down. Once it has cooled down, scoop about half a tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into a bowl. And transfer it into a tray lined with parchment paper. Repeat the procedure with the remaining mixture. Then, poke each bowl with the cocktail stick. Now, combine the sugar, water, and lemon juice. Give it a mix and microwave it for about 6 minutes or until the sugar is caramelized. Once it's caramelized, dip each bowl and drain the excess liquid. Then transfer it into a tray lined with parchment paper. And here's our finished product! By the way, don't forget to chill this in the fridge for a few hours before serving. Bala Baiana is soft, sweet, and crunchy on the outside and is worth the try. It's time to try! So good! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!